फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स
या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Anand, quick prediction about both the semi-finals.
No, I'm not making any predictions. I'm not making any predictions. I'm only saying that I am of the belief that if India wins the toss, we should bat first, put 200 plus on board, and then put the Brits under pressure, put England under pressure. Don't do anything stupid. Stick to the plan. Stick to what's working for you. It's a lot of times they take the most bizarre decisions at the crunch moment. Last time also they won the toss. They opted to field first, where they should have gone and bat and say. And when they were this one, I think or reverse, if my memory serves me right, and the whole conditions changed and they were nowhere in the game. They misread the pitch totally. They misread the conditions. They tried to tailor and doctor the pitch for themselves at that time. You don't need to do all of this. You don't.
But Anand, what if the opposition wins the toss?
Stick to what's working for you. England, I'll tell you what will England do. If England wins the toss, it's their problem. उसके बाद मुझे टेंशन नहीं है ना. वो जो करेगा मुझे तो मेरा काम करना है ना. बुमराह को जो भी बॉलिंग करेगा तो विकेट लेना है. बट अगर मैं डिसीजन ले रहा हूँ कि मैं टॉस जीत गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा. मैं पहले बैटिंग करूंगा, 200 रन बोर्ड पे डालूंगा, पागलों की तरह बैटिंग करूंगा, प्ले विद अबैंडन and enjoy my cricket. I think that's what we need to do as a team. We should not make anything that is against the run of play for us. What's been working for the team, you stick to that plan.
Yeah.
Don't unnecessarily change things because arey semi-final hai, arey final hai. Yeah, you got to go with the flow like that. That's
Okay,
what
I'll reframe the question. Whom do you want, South Africa or Afghanistan in the finals? Of course, India चाहिए हमें.
No, I wanted to be in India-Afghanistan final. Just for the pure romance of it.
Yeah. Me and Sahil are also on the same page.
just for the pure romance of it, I want to be an India-Afghanistan final. But if South Africa get to the final, I want South Africa to win.
Okay.
I want South Africa to take the title if South Africa get to the final, because that's the only way they're going to shed this choker's ghost on their head. And I want them. They're too good a team to be labeled chokers for nearly four decades. That's unfair on them. So I think purely on that aspect, हम लोग तो जीतते रहेंगे. अगले 2 साल बाद फिर जीत जाएंगे. उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं. For me, I think this is one of the best chances that South Africa as a team have to shed. And this is a brand new generation where none of the players are part of that joker generation or one generation after that. This is 2.5 generations, if not 3 generations after the whole chokers thing. So I think this is perhaps the time when they can do it.
Okay. Well, thank you, Anand. Thank you for joining me in this session.
Thanks, guys. See you. Bye.
Okay, ताउस भाई, इंडिया इंग्लैंड पिछला जो सेमीफाइनल था वो बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से हारे थे, जैसा साहिल ने हमें याद दिलाया. What is that one thing, one X factor that India is possessing right now, barring जसप्रीत बुमराह? उसके अलावा कौन है वो एक X factor जो इंडिया के लिए काम कर सकता है?
Kuldeep Yadav, yaar. Who else? Kuldeep Yadav. I'm not going into the batting side of it because it's not been consistent. It's not been consistent at all. और good that it has not been consistent क्योंकि अलग-अलग लोगों को अलग-अलग मौके पे सिचुएशंस पे आके उभरने का मौका मिला है और अपने कंट्री को सेव करने का मौका मिला, which is a good thing that they are filling that gaps whenever it is needed, starting from top order like how Rohit Sharma did, or maybe the other day Surya did, like how Hardik is doing, Rishabh Pant did at some moment. So which is a good sign. But now we are at a stage where we have to come up with a collective effort, right? Starting from the top order to the finisher to the fast bowlers to the spinner. Because you have a team in front of you which is a completely, a great T20 side, I would say, or maybe a T20 specialist side. Look at the batters in them, yeah. Look at the batters that they have, starting from Josh Butler, Phil Salt, Johnny Bairstow, although he was not that great, he scored a century in the IPL. एक से बढ़कर एक, हैरी ब्रूक, आप नाम लेते चले जाओ और सब के सब T20 स्पेशलिस्ट है. और इंग्लैंड ओडीआईज में जो आप देखे, इंग्लैंड 50 ओवर्स था यार वो वहां पर, मतलब they couldn't spend much time on this wicket, but here you get 20 overs. मतलब टाइम ऐसे निकलेगा, फट खेलेंगे और खत्म हो जाएगा मैच. 200 मारेंगे वो लोग, 250 मारेंगे. विकेट्स अगर आपको असिस्ट नहीं की तो शायद 200 मारेंगे या 180 मारेंगे, और अगर उन्होंने बैटिंग की पहले गलती से तो हमारे लिए मुश्किल होगा, क्योंकि I mean over the time I've been saying it's very difficult to chase on wickets on West Indian wicket. They are slow, but then it's not easy to get runs when you're chasing down. So this is where exactly I feel England is a much difficult side to handle. They are a complete package. I mean ऑस्ट्रेलिया में शायद आपको लूप होल दिखे थे, ट्रेविस हेड के अलावा कोई बैटर्स नहीं दिख रहे थे. ग्लेन मैक्सवेल वाज नॉट इन फॉर्म, द बिग शो, द अदर गाइज, मिचेल मार्श वाज नॉट इन फॉर्म. यहाँ पर जॉर्ज बटलर इज कमिंग फ्रेश फ्रॉम दैट नॉक अगेंस्ट यूएसए. He was so convincing in that game. Phil Salt, amazing. So एक से बढ़कर एक वो इंडिविजुअल्स आपको देखने मिले आईपीएल में. यहाँ पर एक सेट, एक कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ आएंगे. So I'm a bit fearing this side, but I hope some miracle happens, yeah, because miracle से ही जीतना चाहिए. और we still और वैसा होता है. देखिए आपने एक मोमेंटम देखा है कि यार विराट कोहली रन्स करते हुए आते हैं, प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट ले जाते हैं, लीग्स में रन करते हैं, और सडनली एक बड़ा मोमेंट आता है जहां पर अब यहाँ पर उन्होंने रन नहीं किया है, शायद वो मोमेंट सेमीफाइनल या फाइनल में आए. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट मोमेंट.
वो आनंद ने सही बोला ना कि एक का चप्पू चलना जरूरी है, एक का चल गया, एक का और चल रहा है, अपनी नैया पार हो जाएगी.
वो मोमेंट आना जरूरी है, एंड वो मोमेंट अगर फाइनल या सेमीफाइनल में उससे बेटर मोमेंट नहीं हो सकता मुझे.